we go in a more difficult case to see with the use of these values and this biomaterial. This patient is going to lose those two incisors. Look at that. Huge defect. Could have been if you extract this, you do nothing, you place a removal, soft tissue will go up 5 millimeters apically. And then try to go down, it will be very difficult. Look at that. We have some bone above, so I think we can stabilize the implant, especially if we place two. But it will be interesting to see, shall I be able to go to immediate loading in such a case? Because it seems very strange. And maybe this is something wrong. But by using this GTO, by being able to play with the bone density and being able to stabilize those implants, I've been able to gain all this hard tissue. And look at the surgery. Extremely mobile teeth. Extract them very carefully with a cyst, lesion is here. We lost a lot of tissue, cleaned perfectly well. Disinfection, decontamination, peroxide, betadine. And then we can drill and place our implants like this. We place implants, and now we need to know where we are. So they are deep enough. Take those 10. What will be the value on this one where we lost so much bone? Orange. This one, green. So it means that we are between 68 and 75. So it means that as I am going to connect those two implants, I'll be able to go for immediate loading. So I compact, and all soft tissue will help because this material will become hard. So if you don't reflect a flap, you have an envelope where this biomaterial will stay. You see, like this. So it's very unusual because I've never done things like this before in my life. But this works. I compact this, no membrane, impressions, suture to respect the central papilla. You see, we need to preserve the central papilla as much as we can. Okay, the frenum can be cut after if needed. But then we take the impressions, and this is the following day. Look at that, following day. Time goes. Final restoration, happy patient. One shot, one surgery, no autogenous bone graft, no site, extraction site. So it became extremely simple. And patient, you can see, is extremely happy.